Okay, so today, lesson 17, multiplying by one-digit numbers. All right, I'm going to use a green pen. Okay, it says, we can add or multiply to answer the following questions. A ticket to a baseball game costs $24. How much would the ticket cost? Would 3 tickets cost? So you can add 24 3 times and 4, 8, 12, 1, 2, and then you get 2, 4, 6, 7, 72. At first I wrote 62 there. I don't know if you can tell, but that was because I was not thinking or doing it, taking my time to actually carry the one to realize that that answer is actually 72. So we can do that the same way. So here you'd have 12, and then 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so 72. You can add 24 3 times or multiply 24 times 3, like I said. Example 1. A ticket to the show costs $12. How much would 4 tickets cost? Well, let's multiply that and see what the answer is. 12 times 4. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 1 is 4. So the answer is 48. You could also do that 12 plus 12, 12, and 12 4 times and get 2, 4, 6, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It would cost $48. All right. Example 2. Use dimes and pennies to illustrate 3 times 14 cents. So, lucky for you, your teacher is prepared with her dimes and pennies to show you this. Now, I'm not going to use this penny, but I do like this penny, the Grand Canyon penny. And so we're going to do 14 cents. So 4 pennies and 1 dime. Let's see. I'll row them kind of this way maybe. Just count our dimes for markers. 1, 2. I'm making kind of like an array with these to make sure that I have the right numbers here. Make sure they all line up nicely. There, the dimes are a little smaller than the pennies. Some extras. What was that one? It was Monument Valley one. This one's kind of cool. The Indian Monument Valley. Those are my sister's pennies, but she always asks me to hold them and then I forget to give them back to her. So, we have dimes and pennies to illustrate 3 times 14 cents. Oh, look at this. I did 4 times 14 cents. My bad. Okay, 3 times 14 cents. We can do 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So we can multiply let's do 14 cents times 3. All right, so 3 times 4, 4, 8, 12. And 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 more is 4. 42 cents. All right. The next one, example, says 6 times next month Lee must travel home, which is a 325-mile round trip. How many miles total does Lee travel? Well, we have to do 325 times, how many? 6. All right, so let's multiply these. 5 times 6, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3, 13, 14, 15. And 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. So he had to travel 1,950 miles. Okay? Do you guys know how to multiply by by one-digit numbers, right? All right, and then for your lesson practice down here, you've got A, 36 times 5, B, 50 times 8, C, 7 times 43 cents. You may use manipulatives to help you, some monies. D, 340 times 8. E, $7.68 times 4. And F, 560 times 6. Please have this completed and ready to show me in the morning.